3 foolproof secrets you should not miss when making salad at home. Have you tried them yet? Hi friends, I'm Tracy. Today I'll share with you 3 simple salad recipes with 3 secrets that help make the dressing delicious without using too many seasonings, help you stay full longer, or keep the vegetables fresh and crisp without becoming soft or watery. Be sure to watch until the end to find out what the secrets are. First is a refreshing cucumber salad. The secret to this salad is not using too many seasonings, but still balancing a light tangy taste, a cool creamy richness, and the fresh aroma from herbs. First, prepare 1 large cucumber, cut off the top and bottom ends, then peel off the outer skin. After that, use a grater to shred it into long, thin strips. As you grate the cucumber, you will see a little fresh cucumber juice collecting at the bottom. Do not pour that juice away. This small amount of juice helps keep the salad naturally fresh and juicy. Next, prepare half of a small red onion. Slice the onion thinly. Separate the pieces and place them in a bowl. To make the onion less spicy and reduce its strong smell, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the bowl, then pour in enough hot water to cover the onion. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. The natural acid in the lemon helps soften the compounds that cause the strong smell in the onion. When combined with hot water, the unpleasant spicy taste is also reduced noticeably. This is a tip I learned from my mother and still often use whenever I prepare red onions. While waiting for the onion to soak, you can prepare the dressing. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a large bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to make the dressing softer and smoother. Next, add the juice of half a lemon to create a fresh flavor. Then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt to create a gentle, tangy, and refreshing taste. Add a little chopped cilantro and mint, so the dressing has the aroma of fresh herbs. Now add the shredded cucumber to the bowl. Squeeze the red onion dry, then add it in as well. Season with salt and a little black pepper to taste. Gently mix until the dressing evenly coats the cucumber. And your cucumber salad is done. This salad tastes best when served cold. You can place it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes before eating. When serving, you can enjoy it directly or wrap it in lettuce leaves, which is also extremely delicious. It tastes very fresh, lightly crisp, and easy to eat. The cucumber is juicy and cool, without the strong smell of red onion, and the dressing is perfectly balanced and extremely delicious. I really recommend that you try this dish at least once in your life. Next is the second salad recipe, which can be compared to a healthy light meal that is easy to eat, helps you stay full longer, and is packed with nutrition. So you should not skip it either. To make this dish, first, prepare 1 ripe avocado. Cut it in half, remove the seed peel off the skin, then cut it into small, even pieces. Avocado provides good fats, fiber, potassium, and many vitamins, helping the salad taste naturally creamy, keep you full longer, but still feel light and healthy. After cutting it, arrange the avocado on a plate. Next, prepare 1 cucumber, peel it, and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Do the same with the bell pepper. Now arrange them on the plate with the avocado first, the cucumber, then the bell pepper, then add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes and 3/4 cup of boiled corn. I like using sweet corn to provide starch and create a light sweetness that is very easy to eat. Then add a little chopped green onion and a little chopped red onion. Arrange them one by one on the plate, and you will see that your salad plate looks quite beautiful with all the colors from the fresh vegetables. Now let's prepare the yogurt dressing to enjoy with it. In a bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Instead of mayonnaise or sour cream, Greek yogurt makes the dressing fresh, creamy, and healthier. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, black pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. If you do not have parsley, cilantro also works. Mix well until the mixture is smooth. You can place the dressing in the refrigerator before using so it becomes a little thicker. I usually put everything in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes before eating. When serving, pour the dressing over the salad and mix gently. This recipe is enough for about 4 people, perfect for a light dinner, or wrapped in lettuce leaves like a healthy burrito. When eating, you will clearly taste the fresh flavor of the vegetables combined with a light tanginess, smooth creaminess, and gentle aroma that is not too rich. Especially when mixed with avocado and corn, it makes the salad more flavorful, more filling, and helps you stay full longer. Finally, this is a mixed salad recipe that can stay crisp for quite a long time. The secret lies in keeping the vegetables dry, fresh, and crunchy as shown below. First, prepare half a head of lettuce. Make sure the lettuce has been washed, disinfected, and drained very thoroughly. This step is very important because lettuce easily holds water between the leaves. After the lettuce is dry, use your hands to tear it into small pieces. This makes it easier to eat and also easier to mix with the dressing. Next, prepare 1 carrot that has been peeled. Then use a vegetable peeler to shave it into thin strips. Do not shave it too finely because that can make it lose water and become less crisp. Next, take 1 celery stalk, make a few lengthwise cuts along the stalk, then chop it into small pieces and add it to the salad plate. For the cucumber, peel it and remove the seeds in the middle. This part contains a lot of water, so it needs to be removed so the salad does not become soggy. You can use a spoon to scoop out the seeds in the middle. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Do the same with the tomato. Remove the stem, cut it in half, then use a spoon to remove the seeds and cut the flesh into small pieces. To make the salad more nutritious and more filling, add 1 cup of broccoli that has been quickly blanched in hot water or lightly boiled. If you do not like broccoli, you can replace it with cauliflower, and the dish will still taste very good. Now let's make a simple dressing. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a little oregano, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a little dried or fresh parsley. If you do not have parsley, you can also use cilantro. Add a little fresh milk to make the dressing thinner and easier to mix. If you do not want to use milk, you can use water instead. When you are ready to eat, drizzle the dressing over the salad and mix well. You can enjoy it right away, or place it in the refrigerator for a little while before serving. You can clearly feel the fresh crunch from the vegetables and greens. The yogurt dressing is lightly tangy, gently fragrant, and coats the vegetables evenly without making them soft or watery. And those are 3 salad recipes with special secrets that do not require many seasonings, help you stay full longer and keep that delicious crisp freshness. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes and will make them for your family to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to receive more cooking recipes. Thank you, and see you again.